بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
So if you just try to see the same example here in terms of visual, here you can see this is the same lab what I'm going to verify. Now in this lab, I'm going to assume these are the two routers which are in my AS. And I'm going to consider this 40 dot as my destination. Now to reach this 40 dot subnet, there are two possible routes. I can either go directly, that is 700I, this route, or I can go from the other way, which is 500, 700I. So which is the best route? The default best route will be always decided based on the shortest AS. But let's say I want to prefer the other one. So what I'll do is I'll simply go to this router 2 and we'll apply the weight. So I'm going to router 2 and not weight. Here we'll apply the local preference of 250, let's say. So which means I'm saying the hello router 2 pointing to this neighbor, the local preference for all the routes which are learned from this neighbor should be 250. That's what 200, whatever you apply, compared to default local preference, which is 100. So now not only the router 2, now what router 2 will do is, even though you did the configuration only on the router 2, the local preference is applied only on the router 2, but the router 2 is going to advertise this information to all the internal BGP neighbors, only to internal. Remember, this local preference value will be advertised only to the internal neighbors. It will not advertise to external neighbors. So this is specific to IBGP neighbors, which means it will advertise to router 3. Now, not only router 2, router 3 also will change the best route. So all the routers, router 2, router 3 in my example, which I'm going to verify practically, will change the best route. If you have one more router, that router also will change. So all the routers inside the AS will change the best route. That's the main difference here. So let's go ahead and verify the same. So for verification, I'm going to use the same topology here. And this is going to be my topology. And in terms of verification, what I'll do is I'll use 40 dot subnet as my destination. And I need at least 2 routers in my AS. So I'm going to assume this is my AS. And assume there are 2 possible routes to go there. One is direct 700I. The other one is I can go from this side, which is 500, 700I. So which is the best route? The default best route is this one. So I'm going to remove the attributes which I have configured in my previous lab, even though this is not compulsory, because anyway there is a difference. We are not verifying specifics, so but still I just want to remove my previous lab configurations. And I'm using the same topology, so I don't need to do any IBGP or EBGP configurations. So I'm going to use the exact same IBGP and EBGP configurations. So if I go and check from the router 2, if I say show IP BGP to reach 40 dot subnet, there are 2 possible routes, right? And the default is it's going via 3.3.3.2. So the next hop self I did not use, so I need to change the next hop self, because the next hop did not change for this one. Because you can see here, it says this is 3.3.2 because the next hop is not changed. I think I missed on the router 3. So just say neighbor 2.2.2.1, change the next hop self. Okay, anyway, I'm advertising the WAN interfaces, so this will not create any problem for me because I'm also advertising this, but in the production networks, normally the neighbor IPs may not be advertised. So we'll have some reachability issues. So if I say show IP BGP to reach this 40 dot subnet, still it didn't change. So now you can see it changes now, the next hop address. So the default best route is, it's going from this one. This is my default best route from router 2 as well as router 3. So let's say what I want is, I want to prefer this one. So whichever the path you want to prefer, you just need to go to that border router. So this is my border router from where I want to prefer, right? So I need to go and apply the local preference. Let's say I'm applying 2500 just for differentiation. I'll go to router 2, which is my preferred exit router. Go to that router. Like in this case, we'll go to router 2, and then I'll say BGP default local preference. So there's no need to specify any neighbor command here right now. But here I'm going to specify the local preference, any number you can use in that range. I'm using 2500, and I'm going to clear the BGP again. So clear BGP soft. So what I did, I just did this configuration. Apart from that, all are basic configurations. And this configuration is on the router 2. So once you clear this, now if you go and verify on the router 2, if I say show IP BGP, you can see to reach 40 network, it's going via this route, via 1.1.1.1, because this is the preferred one to go to reach outside. This is a preferred exit router. And again, if you remember, you don't see the local preference value here because generally it will not be displayed for eBGP neighbors. But if you go to router 1, router 3, I can see router 2 changes the route. If I say trace to 4111, it goes via this route. Whereas not only router 2, also router 3 should change. So if I say show IP BGP, any network, because I'm not applying for specific networks, or you can simply use show IP BGP first. Now here you can see to reach this 40 subnet via 2.2.2.1, because the router 2 is advertising this local preference of 2500 to router 3, and that's what you can see here. It's coming from this neighbor, and you can see this is my preferred best route. And the reason, even though higher is because it is using based on the local preference which is being applied. Of course, it is applied for all the prefixes because I did not specify anything here. But anyway, we can use route maps. We'll see that in the next lab. But here we just wanted to see not only router 2 changes the best route, router 3 also changes the best route. If I say show IP BGP, you can even use a specific network IP. You can see I'm getting a local preference from this neighbor, and the local preference is applied, and this is my best route. So if you try to trace 40 network or any other network, you can see it goes from here, because router 3 says even though I'm receiving this route from here as well as here, I'm going to prefer this one because this is having the local preference value of 2500 compared to this one which is just 100. Even though it is shorter AS, I'm not going to use that. Okay, so that's how the local preference will do that. So it's going to change the best route not only for the local router, it's going to change for the complete AS.